TSAVO East National Park. It is actually Kenya's largest national park, covering about 13,747 square kilometers, and is named as the Theatre of the Wild. It is also the home to the most larger mammals, magnificent flora and fauna, and a prolific species of wildlife. As you can see, this theatre of the world is famously known for housing vast herds of African bush elephants, which are also nicknamed as the red elephants of TSAVO. Look at this beautiful juvenile cow feeding and enjoying this lovely habitat. Guys, as usual, if you're new to Steenel Dog World, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all our socials.